Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file a property tax appeal. First, understand your property's current assessed value and compare it to recent sales of similar homes in your neighborhood. Look for properties with similar square footage, number of bedrooms, and lot size. Also, carefully review your property's assessment record for any errors, such as incorrect features or dimensions. This initial research is crucial for building a strong foundation for your appeal. Next, gather all your evidence. Take photos of any damage or issues that might decrease your property's value, like a leaky roof or foundation cracks. Double-check your property card for any factual errors, such as an incorrect number of bathrooms or an overstated lot size. Having solid documentation and a clear understanding of potential tax savings will significantly strengthen your case. Now it's time to formally file. Obtain the specific appeal forms from your local assessor's office or their website. Fill them out completely and accurately, attaching all your supporting documentation. Be sure to submit your application well before the deadline, as late submissions are usually not accepted. Finally, prepare a clear and concise presentation of your evidence for the upcoming hearing. During the hearing, present your evidence calmly and respectfully to the review board. Clearly explain why you believe your property's assessment is too high, referencing your comparable sales and documented issues. Be ready to answer any questions they may have and provide additional information if requested. Remember, a well-prepared and polite approach often yields the best results. Also, check the description for a link to some great socks and other deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.